name is Mama Camille S. Lorenzo from Baals 101. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to pronounce each of the individual phoneme. It is important to produce only the phoneme itself without any additional sound. Let's start with the consonant phoneme. B as in ball. D as in dog. As in flower. H as in hat. G as in goat. J as in jump. K as in kite. L as in lamp. M as in moon. N as in nest. As in end of the word song. P as in pencil. R as in rabbit. S as in snake. J as in middle of the measure. T as in table. V as in vase. W as in whale. Y as in yarn. Z as in zebra. The next phonemes are considered digraphs, where two letters considered one sound. Ch as in child. Sh as in shoes. Z as in middle of mother. Th as in third. The next are the vowel phonemes. A as in the first sound in apple. E as in the first sound in elephant. E as in the first sound in igloo. O as in the first sound in octopus. O as in the first sound in umbrella. A as in the middle sound of rain. O as in the final sound in saw. E as in the final sound in tree. I as in the middle sound of light. O as in the middle sound of boat. U as in the first sound of uniform. U as in the middle sound in mood. As in the middle sound of book. Ow as in the final sound in cow. Oi as in the final sound in boy. There are also our controlled vowel that's such as R as in the final sound in car. As in the middle sound of heard, bird, and serve. Air as in the final sound in chair. Ear as in the final sound in spear. Or as in the middle sound of fork. Make sure that your student hear you model the correct consonant and vowel phoneme. Thank you!